up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela, and today we're going to be doing a glow up with me for 2023 / maintenance vlog. So some of these things I do on a regular basis, some of these things I don't. So today we're going to be doing nails. I'm going to be changing my hair color completely. I'm going completely brunette, which is why I'm wearing this towel. I didn't want to like ruin it. This is after I've done everything, so I didn't want to ruin it. I get my lips dissolved in this video. We do some skincare, some teeth whitening, and yeah, just a glow up with me. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and let's just get right into it. So today I'm going to be getting my hair done. I'm going completely dark. I'm actually filming on my phone. I'm filming a TikTok right now, and I have foundation on, which is probably why I look so crazy, but I'm just this is the before. Wow, my hair looks really gross right now. I loved when you have... Okay guys, I'm all done and it looks so freaking good. I'm obsessed with it. I think I want to get some extensions, but it looks so good. It just looks healthier and fuller overall. You can't even see, it's like blending into the background.
Oh my god, I love. What a moment. What a moment in history.
I'm so obsessed with my hair.
Then I went to the nail salon and got a manicure and a pedicure. Here I was just showing the acrylics they put on, and I always get almond shape. I got this royal blue color this time.
Okay, so we're back at the house now, and now you can see my hair with, I turned on my fluorescent lights so you can kind of see. It's so pretty. We went a little bit darker than my normal hair color. We did like a black, like we did a number 3, like on the spectrum. Black, the blackest black is like 1, so we did a 3. And so yeah, I literally love it. It looks like I have a whole new head of hair and it looks so voluminous. And then here, I wanted to show you guys the nails that I got today. I got a, I don't know if you'd call this like royal blue. They're so cute. I just had red nails, so I wanted to do like the complete opposite. Plus I'm feeling kind of like the darker, cooler tones right now. Like all my vibes are just cool tones right now. So I'm really excited. I got my toes the exact same color. And yeah, I think Brandon and I are gonna go see a movie now.
Too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept.
Okay, so I have my heater turned on, so that's probably why it's making a lot of noise. But I have my teeth whitening strips on, and I'm gonna leave those on for 30 minutes. And I have all these other masks. I brought this, the Creme Shop one. I think these are like only a few dollars. And then I have this Joanna Vargas one, but it has 5 masks. I've already used all of them. I have 1 mask in here left. I saw Lori Harvey getting off of an airplane wearing a mask by Joanna Vargas, so I was like, oh my gosh, I need that in my life. I love these masks. I really love them because they always come like dripping with product. So I'm always able to kind of like rub it down. Look how much just came out. We do not waste over here.
Request. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing.
Okay guys, so I'm home now. Let me set you guys up. Yes, I'm wearing a shirt. So it's a little bit later now and I got home and I ate. I wanted to tell you guys why I got them dissolved. So I got my lips done in October. It's January now. I got my lips done in October. I got 1 syringe of Juvederm Ultra Plus. And right off the bat, I didn't like them. Normally, I love the way my lips look when I leave. I love how puffy they are, but they looked really bad. Like, I did not like them at all. My initial thought was, oh, like the injector, like must have not like placed it correctly. But I now realize that that's not what it was. I just had way too much filler. So I called and I told them like after 2 days, after 5 days, and it was like after like 9 days or something. And they kept telling me, you have to wait for a full 2 weeks. You have to wait for a full 2 weeks. And I was like, I know, but I just really don't like them. Is there anything you can do? Like, can you just put remover? Because I really don't like them. And they were like, we can't. We have to wait the 2 weeks. Okay, the 2 weeks passed. And then I got super busy with work. And I was not able to go back in there. And 2 months passed. And I called them finally. And I told them everything. And then they had like a record that I had called like a million times before. They had me send pictures of my lips to the supervisor's email, and she saw it and she was like, okay, come on in and we're gonna assess it. The nurse is gonna look and then we'll see what we do from there. So I went in today and the nurse said that I did have a lot of migration from the filler, and it just means that my lips were overfilled. So she recommended I completely remove them, but I was not ready to completely get rid of my lips today. I just paid for them like 2 months ago. So she was like, I can just put a little bit of remover and they're gonna go down, but I'm not gonna remove them completely. And then in 2 months, get it completely removed and then we'll start over fresh. Because sometimes after a while, like you need to just start fresh. Like if you just like keep putting filler, it kind of like it gets weird. So you need to just, you know, clean slate. And already that we've removed it, I can tell that the little mustache line that I had before is like almost completely gone. So I'm so happy about that. That's what I did, and I'm so happy that I did that. And I'm rocking my smaller lips right now, and I love it. But thank you guys so much for watching my maintenance / glow up with me for 2023 vlog. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.